How to check saved voice messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Voice Memos application on your phone. Once you're inside the app, you will see folders like All Recordings and Recently Deleted, which help you organize your audio files. Tap on All Recordings to proceed. Here, you can view a complete list of all the voice memos that are currently saved on your iPhone. They are typically organized by the date they were recorded. To listen to a specific message, simply tap on it from the list. The playback controls will appear, allowing you to play, pause, and skip through the recording. You can scroll up and down to find any other saved recordings you wish to check. Following these steps, you can easily check saved voice messages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.